Good morning, dear students. Today we will be seeing round off of the numbers. How we are going to round off any numbers to the nearest 10, 100, 1000 or different places. I know it is a very long time that I have not uploaded any video. So today I will be uploading. Today I am sending you this video so that you all can watch my video and study to how to round off the numbers. Now let's begin. Suppose I have a number 43, round off the numbers. Suppose I have a number 43. Now if I have to round off to nearest 10, if I have to do the round off, then I have to see the 10th place, nearest 10 place. That means I have to see the 10th position. This is 1's position, this is 10th position. Now after looking at the 10th position, you have to see towards its right, the very first digit. That means here 1's place will come, 1's 10th. You have to round off nearest 10th place. Then you first come to the nearest 10th, that's 10th position, and then towards its right hand side, that means 1's side, you see which number is there. If this number, the number present at 1's position is less than 5, then the number will become here how much? 40. That means you have to discard, that is remove the 1's position number and replace it with 0. Now what did you understand? So nearest 10 for 43 will be 40. What I said, if you have a number 43 or any number and you have to do nearest 10, you have to go to the nearest 10th position and then look at its right hand side, the very first digit, that means 1's place, a number less than this, and then you have to see whether the 1's position is 5 or is it 5. If it is 5 or less than 5, then you have to replace this 3. And then write it with 0. So the number will become 40. Now if you have like 574, now you have to do the round of nearest tens. So again you come 1's tens. This number you came, you have to see the 1's position. This number is less than 5. If it is less than 5, then what you have to do? You have to remove this 4 and then write it with 0. So your answer will be 570. Now if you have number like 582, then your number will be 580. This you have to remove and then write because it is less than 5. Now suppose you have the number like 585, then what you are going to do? It was said that when you have a number less than 5, then that number will be removed and then replaced by 0. If you have condition, if you have number equal to 5 at the position, then you have to replace that number with 0 and add +1 to the position, to the given position. Here given position may be anything, tens, 100,000. So if I ask you to round off this number to nearest 10, nearest 10, then your number will become 5, 5, then this is tens position 8, and this is ones position. If you are having number 5 or greater than 5 or greater than 5, then you have to replace this number with 0. You have to replace with 0 and then add plus 1 to this number, so it will become 590. Now if you have like 685 or 695, let's say 695, then what you are going to do? Then you will see again here tens position. Here you are having ones 5, so this number will be replaced by 0. Then this number will replace, this will be added 1 to here, so 9 plus 1 10, 0, carry 1 will come here 700. So it will become addition of 1, then again forward. If I have like 7 7 9, then you see tens, nearest tens I am saying, all these I am discussing for nearest tens. So tens position, ones position is greater than 5, so this will become 0, this will give added to 1, so it will become 8, and then here 7. So the answer will be 780. Now we will go for next number. Now nearest 100. If I have to do nearest 100, then what we have to see? We have to see 100 position and then tens position to see the increment of the number. For an example, 5, 7, 9. They are asking to nearest 10 you have to reply. So you watch nearest 10, it is 5. Now next to this we are having 7 because you have to see the right hand side. So it is 7. So if it is 7, then what it will become? It will become 0, and then this will be increased by 1 plus 1, and obviously 9 will become 0. All the other digits will become 0. Now let's take another example, like I am having 777. For an example, we have to round off to nearest 100. So you have to watch this number, tens position. So tens position is greater than 5, so it will become 0, and here this will be added, plus 1 will be added to the 100 position, so it will become 8, and then this number will again become 0. Suppose I have 632. We have to go for nearest 100. So nearest 100 we have to see the tens position. It is less than 5, so no need of changing this number. It will be replaced by 0. There won't be any increment in this number. There will not be any increase. Here this number will be replaced with 0. This number will be 0, and then 600. I hope it is clear. Now one more number we can take. Let us take like what? 445. Now nearest 100 position we will see. Tens position is less than 5, so this number will be removed. We will write 0. This number, there won't be any increment. It will be 4, and here 0. So the answer will be 400. In the same way, if we have nearest 1000, then we will see. Let's take this only 5, 7, 9. Nearest 1000 is 0 here, right? Nearest 1000 position is 0. So, and you have to see the right hand most side. That means right now you have to see 100. In case of 1000, nearest 1000, you have to look for nearest 100. In case of nearest 100, you have to see nearest tens. That means tens position. In case of nearest tens, you have to see ones position. So here nearest 1000 was nothing. So that means indirectly it was 0. You have to see 100's position. It is 5. It is equal to 5. And if the number is less than 5, then we have to discard and write 0. But if it is 5 or greater than 5, what we have to do? We have to add plus 1 to the position of the nearest 1000 or whichever position they ask. So here it will become 1. This will be replaced by 0, 0, 0. I hope it is clear. Now let us solve some of the questions of our exercise only. The very first question says round off to the nearest 10. So 52 will be nearest 10 if I have to solve nearest 10. That means you have to see tens position. 52 is here, tens position here. So 10 is 5, one's place is 0. So it will remain as it is. You have to discard, no increment, this will become 0. Now Another number is like 95. 95 nearest 10 only. So 10th position is 9, 1's position is 5. So this will become 5 and this will be added here plus 1. So it will become 9 plus 1, 10, 100. Now like 253. 253 nearest 10. Nearest 10 means 5. 1's position is less than 5. So the number will be 0. Then here 5, here 2. 250. Now if you have another number like 7932, 7932 nearest tens, this means 3. So this number is less than 5, so it will become 0, 0, this 9 and then 7. No need of any increment. Increment will be there only when we have 5 or more than 5. Now in case of second number, round off to the nearest 10, what number can be estimated as 50 and 960? Now we have to round off to the nearest 10. This number is 50. This number is already rounded off and given to us. Now they are asking which number will be rounded off to 50. That means if I have 45, then this round off will be equal to 50. If I have 46, then also this will be added to 1. It will become 50. So 46. Then we have in the same way 47, 48. 49, 50, 51, 52, 53 and 54. All these numbers, 54 will be rounded off to 50, 53 will be rounded off to 50, 51 and so on. 55 will be rounded off to 60. So we cannot write 55. So the number varies from 45 to 54. All these numbers will be rounded off to 50. Now second part in this only they are saying rounded off to tens position, which all numbers will be rounded off to 960. Now if it is like 57, 55 will be rounded off to 60, 956 will be rounded off to 60, 957, 958, 959, then 960, 961, 962, 963, 964. Now all these numbers, 964 will be rounded off to 960 only, 963 if you have, then you will round off this number as 960 only. This will also be rounded off to 960, this also 960. All these numbers will be rounded off to 960. So this is the meaning of question number 2 of your exercise round off chapter. And this is how we are going to estimate. So all these numbers, these all numbers will be your answer for this. These all numbers will be answer for this, and the remaining sums you solve at your home. Now question number 7 is nearest tens, 100, 1000. Nearest tens, 100 and 1000. All those things we have to see. Nearest to 10, 100 and 1000. All the three you have to see for this particular number. Let us take an example. 0892. Now this number you have to round off to nearest 10. So you write nearest 10 is equal to of 892. Nearest 10 means 10's position, 1's position you see 890. Correct? It is less than 5, so it will remain 0. No need of any increment. Now nearest 100. Now nearest 100, then you go to 100 position and then see 8. 10's position is greater than 5, so it will be increased, so it will become 900. Now nearest 1000, go to 1000 place. 1000 place is 0, 100 place is more than 5, so this number will be added here, plus 1 it will come, so it will be 1000, 1000. So in this way you have to answer to question number 7 all the parts. So 3 answers will be there: nearest 10, 890, nearest 100, 900, nearest 1000, 1000. I hope it is clear. Now I will be teaching you estimates. Now what is the use of round off? Why we are doing round off of any number? Why it is required? The answer is, when we round off any numbers, then we estimate the values. We roughly calculate any values. For an example, if I ask you to add 52 plus 39, it will be like 9 plus 2, 11, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1, 9. This much. Correct? Now, if we have a very big number, then it will be difficult to round off. If I round off this number, it will be 50, this will be 40, this is 90. So nearest answer we got. So we don't want exact answer. Sometimes we don't want the exact answers according to the questions. Okay, so we need to round off and do our calculation in a very simple manner. So that is why we study round off of any number. For an example, if I have like 433 plus 933 or 937. Now if you add, it will take time, but if you round off this number, seeing the nearest 100 position is 400 plus this will become 900. So 9 plus 4 1300. Now if you actually calculate, it will be 7 plus 3 10, 3 3 6 plus 1 7, and then 1 carry, 9 plus 4 13 14. Is it 1470? Nearest you got 400 plus 900 13. Here 7 plus 3 10, carry 1 3 3 6 plus 1 7, and then 9 plus 4 13, sorry, 1370. So nearest you are getting 1300 round off, and exact value will be 1370. So in this way it will be helpful if you do any round off of the numbers. Now you may be wondering, sir, the answer is 1300, 1370, and after doing round off estimate we are getting 1300. So here it is looking a bit easy. When we do calculation of round off of any number, then the calculation becomes simple. Here the numbers are very small, so it is nearly coming. If we have very big numbers like 4-digit, 5-digit numbers, we have to add or subtract 5-digit numbers, then in that case it becomes very difficult. And in some of our cases, in some of our practical labs, or some chemical equations calculations where we have to mix the chemicals, or in laboratories, or in any pharmaceutical companies, exact value is not that much important to some values, to some extent. Like in case of calculation of monies in accounts, in certain chapters, certain departments we have accounts. So there it is very difficult to add all the values. Like if I have to add 1 lakh 1 rupee, then 1 lakh 20 rupees 50 paise, 1 lakh 30 rupees something, 9 lakh 10 rupees. So if we discard rupees 10, then it will be easy for us to add. Like 1 lakh 10 rupees, you remove 10 rupees, then 1 lakh 40 rupees was there, 40 rupees you remove, then you have 9 lakhs 30 rupees or 9 lakh 33 rupees 1300 or something. Then if you round off, then you will be getting exact values. So for that purpose only we have round off calculations we use. That is why we study round off of the numbers. Next exercise is to estimate. Now how to estimate? There are certain rules. Like if I have to add 51 plus 47. Now in this case we have to see the smaller number. The smaller number is 47. Now if we are having smaller number 47, we have to round off to its maximum value. Maximum value means tens position is here 4. So this number will become, so according to this number only, first we have to see the smallest number, then we have to round off the smallest number and the biggest number according to this smallest number. That means 2-digit number, tens. So this will become 50 and this will become 50. So 100. Now this is the estimated value. Suppose I am having 2314 plus 372. Now how we are going to estimate? First we will see the smallest number. 372 is smaller than this. So this is the smallest value. Now maximum estimation we can go up to 100 position. Now 100 position means we have, why? This number will also be estimated up to 100 position. This number will also be estimated up to 100 position only. That is why we select the smallest number so that estimation can be easy. So 3, this estimation will be 400. Here 100 position is 3. So here 1. So here it will become 0, 3, 2. Understood? That is the first task, is to find the smallest number among the set of numbers and then round off that smallest number to the nearest position. Nearest position means 100. So here if you are rounding off to 100, here also you have to round off to 100. So this will become 400, this will become 2300. Now if you round off and add, it will become easy. Don't you think that calculation is a bit easy when we round off the numbers? If we add these two numbers, it will take time, like 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 1 8, 3 plus 3 6, 2. So 2686. Here we are having 2700. Just a bit more. If here if I add 14 plus 14, I will be getting 2700. So here in this chapter we will be learning how to estimate so that we can approach, we can reach up to the nearest value. Now another question is like 2597. Okay, let me write this side. 2597 minus of 390. Smallest number is 390. So round up will be up to this position. So this will become 400. Here also we have to go for 100 position only. Then this will become 2600 minus 26 minus this will be 2200. Don't you think it is very easy? If you will subtract this, 7 minus 0 7, 9 minus 9 0, 5 minus 3 2, 2 again here. So this answer is 2207, and here we are getting 2200. That means only 2000 in 7 is negligible as compared to 1000. That is why we will be rounding off these numbers in this manner. I hope it is clear and you all can complete this chapter. Tomorrow I will be starting new chapter for you all. Okay. Thank you.